Okay, welcome to the Healthy Fighter. It's going to be a staple of this channel. And if you want to know what a staple of this channel is, watch this show. So today we're making a healthy fish taco, or as healthy as you can. If you've never cooked fish, this is a good way to do it. You buy some fish and you cut it into the pieces that you want so it can be like a little fish strip. That is some of the fishies that are going to go into a frying pan. Put a little salt on it. Salt has never hurt. Is this the healthiest? No. Is it really bad for you? I don't believe so, and I'm going to tell you why. So there's the salt, this little station. As you can see, we're using avocado oil for the fish to go into. Why? Because it doesn't turn into a carcinogen when it goes up to the higher heat temperatures. As you can tell, girlfriend Lukie is loving drying that piece of fish, and drop it into the pot. And there you go. No batter needed. So you're just frying fish, but without batter. And it's in avocado oil. You can play around with the temperature you do. We like about 375, but I don't think you have to be married to it. Typically with the pots we use, it is 3 at a time. And then once you feel that they're well cooked, you put them on a paper towel. These are some of the condiments, hot sauce, but this is the star of the show, the pineapple salsa. That is a little red onion, cilantro, and pineapple diced together. Maybe I'll make a video explaining the process for that. Once they're cooked, they should look like this. You can kind of break them apart and kind of manipulate them. And really what you're going to do is it's a very quick meal. You just cook them, fry them, put them on the paper towel, wait for them to dry so they keep that good crisp. And then once you have it, you got a bunch of little fishies that are ready to go in a taco. Now, you can do this 2 different ways. You can get a low-carb taco. You could eat it straight up. I just get the regular one, and then you throw the pineapple salsa right on there, and you're good to go. This is a delicious meal, and you're probably going to love it. Till next time, subscribe to the channel.